What's up, guys? Welcome back to my second channel. Today we're gonna be, yeah, maybe I shouldn't do that. Hello vlog. Yeah, we're gonna be vlogging our first trip, our first out-of-state show. So yeah, I'm on my way to pick up Nurse still right now. I'm about to do that. We got the car all loaded up, got the amp, we got the guitars. There he is.
A few moments later.
Food. There we go. Oh no. You lock yourself in there?
That's crazy.
It doesn't lock?
No.
Oh man, I'll walk in.
No.
This is what we're working with. Look at that. Check out our view. This is, wow. I love this. Rockstar lifestyle, look. See, we got Burger King. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. What's up, vlog? We're about 50-ish minutes away from sound check. Still chilling out in the hotel. Just got Telemundo on. My boy Ernie's just knocked out. Yep, there he is. What's up, vlog? Currently in the green room. The guys are currently on their way over here, but we're gonna be chilling out here before our show. Oh, there they are. Look at that.
Right on time.
Right on time. Look at that.
Right on time with the fellas.
Shopping for nail clippers.
Why is it taking you so long to get set up? I got a close-up of your ass.
That's nice.
Say something. Do something.
Say something.
How you feeling?
Good. I want to drink.
Me too. How you feeling?
I'm alright.
You cannot drink.
What? Yes, he can.
Whopping 18.
It's just a state of mind.
Yeah.
It's true. Can't is just a state of mind.
Do anything for you. You wanna have a billion beers? Have a billion beers.
Good man. This camera is way better than mine. Mine has astigmatism already.
Has astigmatism?
Basically.
2,000 years later.